Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you again for those who recently subscribed and those that are new to the channel. Please hit the subscription button below. So we decided that we should just show you an unboxing of some USB flash drives that we recently purchased. We saw this special on Takealot. It was for USBs, 16 gig flash drives. We have a function that's coming up, so we're figuring out how we're gonna come about delivering the footage to the learners. So it was a matter of either purchasing a CD or USBs or a memory card. So we found that the USBs are mostly more convenient than those other two. So now it was a matter of where can we find the cheapest USBs, because now we can't be spending more on those USBs, otherwise that will make the footage and the whole package that we're supposed to be giving the learners more expensive. So we just wanted something a bit cheaper so that they can also afford it. They're like 20, 21,
22 with yours as well.
Oh yeah. Well, students are 21. And then I also wanted some nice one, which was the 32 gig. So yes guys, let's just show you the USBs that we purchased.
So yes guys, as you can see, the package is still sealed and we ordered it from Takealot. It's still sealed, as you can see, so we'll be doing the unboxing of it right now.
These are all the
flash drives. They're still sealed, as you can see. They're still in their own respective packages. So yeah. Then that's everything. As you can see guys, it's the 16 gig as we just said.
So yeah, as you can see, this is a good deal for us. We bought a camera memory card, 32 gig, 160 somewhere there, and then we bought two other USBs for 32 gig, which costed like 92 rand, and then for these 16 gig ones, we got them for 60 rand. So guys, this is a good deal, and it took like I think 5 days.
We'll be showing you mini clips of the footage of us taking the event. So hopefully you enjoy it and check it out next time.
Thank you very much for tuning in. See you again in the next video.